2,000, 4,000, 15,000, 29,000. So guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I'm going to show you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to do this, watch this video right now. As always, I'm going to use two of my favorite indicators, MACD and Zig Zag indicator. I'm going to use only short time period of just 2 minutes and invest my whole deposit in each trade so that I can save my time and enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. For now, we have opened the first trade, because as you see, we have touched the strong level of support. After this, we will highly likely make the pullback. That's why I have opened buy position, expecting the potential growth. So now let's just wait a little bit. By the way, guys, how are you? How is going your day? Whether do you have something good for me? Please tell this in the comments. I want to see all of your comments. I really like to read them, especially when you tell something good for me. Actually, for those who don't know, we have made some good profits during 2 days and yesterday's online trading sessions in my VIP channel. Guys have made a lot of profits with help of my signals and me also. I have earned a lot of bucks during last 2 days and I'm going to spend them on my further trip to Cuba, to the Varadero, one of my favorite resorts in Cuba. Okay guys, so the first trade was profitable one. Now let's think about the next one. Let's open USD PKR currency pair. What do we have here? So once again, we have touched a strong level of resistance. MACD is telling us about the flat movement. However, current trend is upgoing. We have the long trend, and that's why I'm expecting the potential breakthrough of the resistance level, and I have opened buy position expecting this breakthrough and continuation of the current upgoing movement. So let's just wait and see what markets will show to us. So guys, yep, you can see this big green candle, which is near the resistance level, and now I am sure that during this candle we will finally break through this resistance level. And yes, just look at this, we're doing that, we are breaking through the resistance level and price is growing. So fine, we did this, we earned money here. Now let's think about the next trade. So we're changing our investment to 349 bucks. So here guys, we have opened sell position. According to the zigzag, we have reached the strong level of resistance. Now we have the downgoing correction and we have the short signal according to MACD indicator. That's why here we have open sell position. Let's just wait during 1 minute and see what will we have finally here. Okay guys, so this trade was profitable one. Let's continue. Let's check USD INR currency pair. So here I have opened buy position because very soon we will reach the zone of support. I am expecting the potential pullback. That's why I have opened buy position here. Now let's just see. Okay, you can observe the current growth, this big green candle, which is showing right now bullish consumption of the previous candle, and together with that we have bullish hammer, which is a very strong pattern for the potential growth. Now price is trying to test once again the support line. However, once again, sellers don't have enough power to break through that zone, and we have one more bullish hammer. Fine guys, this trade was profitable one, and we have around 1,300 bucks on the account. That's quite good for now. Let's continue. If you remember, we started with just $96 and we have already turned them into $1,300. Let's check USD BDT. Buyers don't have enough power to continue the upgoing trend. Price is starting to correct. That's why we have open sell position. According to the MACD indicator, we can observe the beginning of the downgoing trend. Zig Zag indicator is also telling us the same shit. That's why we have only one option, which is to open the sell position here, and we have already done this. Okay guys, so this trade was profitable one. We have around 2,500 bucks. That's quite good. That's amazing. Now let's move next. Let's move further. So what should we choose next? Which currency pair? First of all, I would like to change our investment to $2,400. Let's check USD. So we can observe the bullish hammer pattern, and this is a very strong signal for growth. That's why let's open buy position in continuation of the current candle pattern. And yep, just look at this. I have just opened buy position and price started growing. Because this is what I'm telling you. Technical analysis is very important. The previous candle was bullish hammer. After this, price started growing really significantly, and we thrived on this movement. We have opened buy position and price started growing. Now this candle is trying to make the retest of the long zone, which was the beginning for the current growth. After this, price will continue growing more and more. And yep, I am absolutely right. Let's just wait a little bit and you will see the shit. Just several seconds left. Just several seconds. Yep, guys, we did it. One more profitable trade. We have around $4,600 in our account. That's good. That's good. By the way, my friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget one important thing. Don't forget to check the description to this video, because here you will find amazing and cool link to my private Telegram channel, in which you will find a lot of useful materials, daily educational materials, daily trading signals, daily analytics, and more. Moreover, if you write me private message telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel in the Telegram, in which you will get access to the same kinds of online trading sessions that I hold each day at the scheduled time. You will receive trading signals from me, follow them and get your profits. Don't lose this chance. It can be only once. It's absolutely free. Be millionaire, not a loser. I will make you millionaire, I promise you. Okay guys, now we have opened two sell positions. $4,000 I invested. We're currently in a very strong downgoing movement, and we are moving according to the Zig Zag indicator. According to the MACD, we are also in the short zone. That's why we have opened sell position here. Everything is very simple. So guys, this trade was profitable one. Everything is very good. We have around 8,000 bucks, my friends. 8,000 bucks in our account. That's so fucking cool. Let's check the next currency pair and change our time period to 2 minutes. Let's check what we can trade next. So we have the same kind of situation. Yep, we have a very strong downgoing movement. MACD indicator is telling us about the short signal. So let's try to open short position here, expecting investing 8,000 bucks here. So we have invested approximately our whole deposit here, expecting the potential drop. Let's just see right now what we will have from that. Okay guys, so perfectly done. Just look at the shit. We have 15,000 bucks. Oh shit, $15,000. My goodness, we started with just $100 and we turned them into 15,000. Shit, that's what I really love. That's what I really love here. Let's check USD PKR. Oh, let's do all in, my friends. Let's do all in. So what do we have? We have a very strong upgoing trend, which is supported by really huge volumes. MACD is telling us about buy signal, and let's try this. Let's invest $15,000 here. Let's invest 15,000, my friends. So $15,000 I invested. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. $15,000. I have invested $15,000 here. All in, my friends. All in. Sometimes you need to risk. Oh shit! Just look at this, 29,000, around $30,000, my friend, $30,000, $30,000. We did this. Oh shit! Oh my goodness, $30,000. Oh my god. We turned $100 into $30,000. That's what I love in binary options. That's why I'm a professional trader. That's why I don't want to do any other shit. Just trading. My friends, if you want to do the same shit like me, if you want to be professional trader and make the same amount of money each fucking day, bear with me. You have all for this. Just open the description to this video, subscribe to my private TG, and bear with me. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice and profitable day, and bye bye.